What's going on, everybody? Brandon here, back with another action figure video. Very exciting in front of us, an all-new spread of toys for DC from Mattel. Yes, Mattel is back, and it looks like better than ever. We've got 12-inch figures, 6.5-inch figures. We've got interactable figures with lights and sounds and vehicles and just a whole lot of fun in front of us. Let's dive into this haul. Starting off with our 6-inch figures. Well, 6.5-inch figures. They're supposed to retail for about $13 a piece. Here's our Batman figure, and he looks phenomenal. Very excited for this with pinless joints, and it just looks really good, you guys. I'm very excited to get into this one and to see how he stacks up against his predecessors. There's Batman's UPC. Up next, Robin looks really good. I love the bright, vibrant colors that we get with the red and green, and it just looks so good. This is definitely a Tim Drake style Robin with like some classic callbacks, definitely in the boots, but very much looks like a 90s Robin for the most part. Definitely that 90s emblem, and it looks really good. Interesting that it says super villains for all of these. Not sure why that is. I guess that's the line, or I'm not quite sure. Anyway, Flash also looks really good. I got most of mine while hunting in store at Target with the UPCs. Batman and Joker were out. Flash and Robin were not, so I had to ask someone to help me get them from the back. Really excited for these flash effects for when he runs, different lightning effects. So that should be pretty cool. And we got Joker to round out the wave. He's our 4th figure, and he looks really good. Comes with something that we've never seen Joker come with before. Different face plates for the other characters so they can get Jokerized. That is pretty cool. And if you're a Batman Beyond fan, you know what that means for Robin to get Jokerized. So that is pretty cool, and I'm very happy with these. Overall, you can get all 4 of these now at Target for about $13 a piece. I'm including the Amazon links below as well. All right, you guys, next up we got our Deluxe 6.5-inch figures. First up here is Heat Vision Superman. This one, very interesting and not available at Target, at least not yet. And I did get mine on Amazon from a third-party seller, Space Outlet, but it looks like that link is no longer up. But this is a really cool looking figure. He is up now on Entertainment Earth in stock, and I think he looks awesome. Really cool and exciting to see is like this isn't just the standard Superman with the red trunks. This is New 52 Superman, which Mattel does very well, and they've got a lot of experience doing that.
I'll melt you down to size, Metallo.
Pretty cool. I don't think we've ever gotten a Heat Vision Superman like this before. So very cool, very exciting. You're supposed to retail for $25. I think I paid almost $40 for mine with Space Outlet, but you should be able to get yours for around $25 on Entertainment Earth. So very excited and happy to have this one for sure. And next up is Mech Suit Batman. This one kind of a callback to the Justice Buster costume in the comics. Looks really cool overall, and I'm very happy with this one. Also is supposed to retail for about $25. It looks like the Space Outlet link is still working for that one on Amazon, so I'll include that below as well. And then we've also got the Entertainment Earth links that also seem to work. And they're in stock, so definitely get yours for retail if you can, but you know, shipping speeds vary. Amazon is typically the fastest, and I have not yet seen this one in store at Target either. I did see it on Walmart's website, but again, it's going to be a third-party link as well. This one does talk,
I'm
and
putting you on ice, Mr. Freeze.
pretty cool. So yeah, very nice. Very excited for this one. He does come with his helmet hiding behind his cape right there. So that is pretty sweet. Up next, taking a look at the Robin cycle. This one looks really nice, and I'm very excited and happy to have it. I also did not find this one at retail. Looks like it's about $25. I got mine on Amazon. You can definitely get yours there now. I think this one's also up on Entertainment Earth as well. I don't know why this one and the other 2 deluxe figures did not hit Target with the first set of things that were shipping there. But definitely a really cool one. It looks like the only way to get the black and red Robin. Up next, taking a look at the all-new 2026 Batmobile by Mattel. This one, really cool. Retails for about $42, so kind of hefty, like 47, 48 bucks after tax. So definitely one of the more expensive ones. You can see the different options that we have here. If you got the Robin Cycle or Joker or some kids Batarangs that you could get. But yeah, very cool overall. Definitely in store at Target. For some reason, not on Target's website right now, and also not on Amazon. So I included the Entertainment Earth pre-order link for that one as well. But definitely in store and definitely worth picking up. I think this thing looks awesome and it is massive. All right, taking a look at the Deluxe Crime Crusher Batman. This is a 12-inch scale deluxe figure, 25 plus sounds and phrases, and it looks really good. 38 bucks on Amazon takes this one home. I definitely think that price point is a little bit high for a kid's toy, but I get it. Like, the price of everything is going up. Electronic figures are definitely becoming a lot more expensive. The electronic Spider-Man is like 50 bucks. So definitely interesting there. We twist the torso and we get sounds.
Don't scare me, Clayface.
So yeah, pretty cool. Not at Target right now, but definitely on Amazon. And next up, taking a look at the all-new 12-inch figures. These ones look so good. These are about 13 bucks a piece as well. So you could get a 6.5-inch figure with accessories or a 12-inch figure for the same price. Batman looks awesome, and I'm very excited to see what else we're going to get from the 12-inch lineup for Wave 2. I don't think we've seen any of those online yet. Here is Batman's UPC if you need it. He is in store and available at Target, and he looks really good. No elbows, no knees, unfortunately, for the articulation on these guys, which is definitely a really big hindrance for the Flash. But, you know, it's something, I guess. We'll see how these perform. Maybe we'll get updated ones later. They definitely used to have elbows and knees on the previous 12-inch Mattel figures. So I don't know why we're not getting it now. Flash does look pretty good. Kind of reminds me of an old Spin Master look. But hey, looks pretty cool overall. Same thing for Superman. He definitely reminds me of the Spin Master sculpt for the Deluxe figure with the interchangeable accessories. I think it was an Amazon Superman. I can't remember. But we'll definitely have to do those comparisons for you guys with the in-depth review later. But overall, it does look really nice. And this is the standard Superman with the red trunks, not a new 52 Superman like the Deluxe counterpart for the 6.5-inch scale. So very, very interesting to see that. And yeah, very cool overall. I'm very happy with these guys for the price point. They look really good, very nice and refreshing to see something new for DC in the 12-inch scale. All right, you guys, that about does it for this haul. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know your favorites down in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I think the price points are reasonable for the most part. The paint apps look really good, and the figures, they look pretty solid so far. I can't wait to get to do the in-depth reviews, especially on those 6.5-inch figures, and see how they stack up against the previous Mattel stuff and the McFarlane stuff and the Spin Master stuff and all the stuff. You guys, the likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions, all the support in the channel has been absolutely phenomenal. Thank you, each and every one of you, for the continued support. As I find more new, cool, and awesome stuff, I'll be sure to bring it to you right here. Once again, I'm Brandon. Thanks for watching.